Hello again. Quite a bit of rain around through Monday, but that rain will be easing slowly. Overnight, there'll be a touch of frost as skies start to clear in the west. Low pressure systems milling around the UK, but just notice this little bump in the isobars. It's a ridge of high pressure, and the low pressures, well, tend to part ways just to allow this ridge of high pressure to topple in. It means many of us will have a fine day on Tuesday, but we've still got the low pressure with us at the moment, and bands of rain spiralling around it, still across central and eastern England, slowly clearing away. One or two showers elsewhere, but for many across Wales, southwest England, it turns clear and cold, and there'll be a frost across Northern Ireland. Belfast may stay above freezing, but certainly a frost in rural areas. Elsewhere, we're generally stopping at about 4 or 5 Celsius. Quite a grey start then to Tuesday across Scotland, much of eastern England, but overall, certainly across eastern England, it's a much drier, much brighter day compared to Monday. Further west, quite a bit of sunshine. Could be some fog around first thing, but that should clear, as will the frost, clouding over slowly in the far southwest later. But for many, it's dry and bright through much of Tuesday afternoon, and certainly it'll feel a bit warmer than Monday across the east. 8-9 degrees here, 10 or 11 elsewhere, maybe even a little bit higher than that where we see some lengthy spells of sunshine, just 1 or 2 scattered showers. But as I said, for most it's dry and it's bright and staying that way through the evening, but it will cloud over across Northern Ireland, and notice the wind's starting to pick up as well, bringing some mild air up from the south, but also bringing increasing amounts of cloud into western areas. Further east, it'll be a fine start to Wednesday, I suspect, and generally it'll stay fine through Wednesday, whereas in the west, rain will slowly be creeping in. A soggy afternoon for Northern Ireland, rain at times over Wales and the far southwest of England. But for a good part of the UK, it stays dry and bright. The winds coming up from the south means temperatures could get into the teens if we see some sunshine, but for some it may stay fairly cloudy all day. A bit of a mixed picture then throughout this week. There will be further spells of rain. Often it'll be quite blustery, but generally those winds bringing mild air until possibly we get to the end of the week. There are signs it will turn colder as we go into the weekend, and there's more on that in our weather for the week ahead on our YouTube channels and online.